Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Handmade by Smita. I'm really excited today because I received this beautiful package from Paper Cutz UK. I'm excited to open this package with you and see what goodies are there. So let's unbox this together. All right. So we have Inkjet self-adhesive matte photo paper. This is 120 GSM. We have 180 GSM double-sided matte coated paper. This is for inkjet printer. We have 135 GSM inkjet self-adhesive glossy photo paper. (180 GSM inkjet double-sided matte coated paper, the sheets. And then we have these. Let's open these and see what's there inside this. Get these out. Okay, we have A3 Greyboards. This is, if I'm not wrong, this is 1.5 mm chipboard. So stay tuned with me and see what goodies we make with these.